U.S. payroll surged in December as employers added a better-than-expected 292,000 jobs. The unemployment rate held steady at 5%, but mostly because out-of-work Americans felt confident enough to look for work. The better-than-expected job numbers came as the economic slowdown in China was causing turbulence in financial markets. VOA's Mil Arcega reports.
The U.S. economy shrugged off a troubled international backdrop to post the best job gains of the year in the final months of 2015. And for troubled financial markets, beating expectations may be the best way to kick off 2016, says Bankrate.com senior analyst Mark Hamrick on Skype.
Well, with all the storm clouds hovering over the global economy, it was a big positive surprise to see the number of jobs added in the month of December, and we also had positive upward revisions for the previous 2 months.
Winners include the business and service sectors and construction, which added 45,000 jobs. Mining continued to shed jobs due to falling demand and low commodity prices. But even as the robust employment numbers helped ease worries on Wall Street, they also raised new concerns about the pace of interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve.
If the Fed sticks to its guns, I think we could see a single quarter-point rate increase every quarter between now and the end of the year.
With wages barely rising, even modest rate increases in 2016 could hurt consumers by raising the borrowing costs on short-term loans. Another area of concern, says Standard & Poor's economist Beth Ann Bovino, is the low labor participation rate.
The labor participation rate is at a 38-year low. That is when a lot of women didn't work in the workforce, suggesting there's still some slackness. Good news, we are seeing improvement, and we do expect to see, as the economy gets stronger and stronger, we do expect to see that unemployment rate dip down a little bit lower.
Despite a better-than-expected report, about 2 million Americans had been unemployed for 6 months or longer. Another 6 million have only been able to find part-time work. But if the pace of job growth continues, Mark Hamrick says full employment, under 5%, may be just around the corner.
It's wonderful to see acceleration in hiring as we close the books on the final quarter of 2015. That sets us up for a good story for 2016, but that's a story that is yet to be written.